That nigga.
Danny Glover, 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 Danny Glover. First off, let me start by saying take time and count my blessings. I don't really know who all these niggas think they testing. You can't blame me for wondering. I mean, I'm only checking. Niggas know that they not bout it. Need to stop with all that flexing. Hold up, Danny Glover, my niggas got them lethal weapons. Doctor's orders, ho, come bring your ass and take this dick injection. But lately, all these bitches really got these niggas stressing. Best believe I keep that towel if they think they got me sweating over these hoes. I said over these hoes, cause it's bros over hoes and you already know that I stick to the code. Yeah, I do that for sure. Bet the whole crew she gon' blow for a bit of that dough. Yeah, that she gon' throw. And this week got me like, whoa, I'm too high to feel low. What? And all these niggas hating. Fuck wrong with these niggas. 007 agent, I'm James Bond to these niggas. I feel like Hercules, I'm blowing strong for these niggas. And my eyes are Chinese, I got the gong for these niggas. What?